Okay, so I'm delighted to announce that here at RRG Skoda Bolton, we've now got a fantastic facility available for you when you bring your car in for a service. We've got Skoda Express self-checking. Okay, so let me explain how the express check-in works. When you first put your car in for a service, you'll get sent a confirmation and a few questions, and then when you arrive here at the centre, it's very simple. Click check in, enter your registration plate, start checking. Then follow your way through the screens. Next, confirm the appointment, sign the signature, put the keys into the box, close the door, and that's it. Simple. You checked in and you're free to go and enjoy your day. Okay, and then when you're ready to come and collect your car, you'll receive a little notification text message with an ID code on it. Simply come back to the machine to check out, enter your license plate. It'll then ask you for the code, and you simply put the code in and submit. And then it'll ask you a couple of questions regarding your service today. 5-star experience, thank you very much. Quick signature, and collect your keys from the door as it opens. Very simple, very convenient, and we hope you make maximum use of it. If you do need any help, we're always here to help at the centre. There's plenty of people around to help you. Thank you very much.